Are you going to talk, huh? Are you going to talk? Come on, let's talk. Let's say, hi, Nanny. Hi, Nanny. Thank you for feeding me and changing my diaper. Hi, Nanny. Hi. Oh, I appreciate that, Nanny. Yeah, when I get out of this chair, I'm going to give you a big fat hug and a kiss. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yeah. Malin, she's a good girl, and she's a pretty girl, pretty baby, pretty girl. Yes, she is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. What? Oh, goodness gracious. My goodness. Hi, Nanny. Hi, Nanny. How are you? Hello, Nanny. Hello, Nanny. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh, you doing something in your pants, huh? No, because your face isn't red. Malin, I love you. Yes, I do. You're not going and going, huh? Okay. Malin, she's the little... Yeah. You gonna talk some more, huh? Come on, talk some more. Okay, wait a second. I'm quite sure about this. I gotta cover that up. Right. Malin, she's a girl. Yes, she is. Yes, sir. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. I know. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Tell me a story before you go to bed. Tell me how a chicken sneezes. Achoo. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Malin is such a good girl, she sure is. And that outfit is so cute. It sure is. That's so cute. Malin, she's